Hey kids, today we are going to learn spellings about 1, 2, 3. So without any further delay, let's begin this video start. 1 O N E 1 2 T W O 2 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I B E 5 6 S I X 6 7 S E E E N 7 8 E I G H T 8 9 N I N E 9 10 T E N 10 11 E L E V E N 11 12 T W E L E V E 12 13 T H I R T W E N 13 14 F O U R T W E N 14 15 F I F T W E N 15 16 S I X T W E N 16 17 S E B E N T W E N 17 E I G H T A T W E N 18 19 N I N E T W E N 19 20 T W E N T Y 20. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe the channel, also like and share.